Hi guys! Today I have a really simple recipe for you, a vegan recipe for a side that you can serve with some pasta, with some rice or some potatoes. So it's very versatile, it's really simple, so it's only onions and mushrooms, but when you cook them the way I show you in this recipe, they are super delicious and they will make a perfect vegan dish. So let's get started with the recipe. First I'm going to prepare the onions and the garlic, and then in the meantime, while these will be cooking, I will be prepping the mushrooms. So first just gonna peel everything. And I'm just going to slice the onions. And then also going to dice the garlic. And then I'm using my thyme oil cubes for frying the vegetables. So you could also, if you have made these, then you can also use them, or you can just use olive oil with a little thyme as well. And once your oil is warm, you can add in the onion and the garlic. You want to keep the heat on medium, depending on your pan. Just watch the onions so that they start browning beautifully without burning them. And in the meantime, you can prep the mushrooms, so you can cube them or quarter them, whichever way you want to cut them. And also you can chop up the parsley. And while you're cooking the onions, make sure to mix them once in a while so that they cook evenly, and also so that they only brown and don't burn. If needed, also reduce the temperature. So now my onions have got a really beautiful golden color. What I'm gonna do now is to add in the mushrooms. Keeping the heat on medium-low, and if you need, you can add a little bit more oil at this point. And now we're just gonna cook the mushrooms until they have cooked through. While the mushrooms are sizzling in the background, I'm also prepping the greens, so just gonna chop the parsley. And don't forget to mix the mushrooms for an even cooking and so that they don't burn from one side. And then once your mushrooms have a beautiful color, it's hard to see, probably because they are brown, but they have some beautiful color. They're nicely cooked. I've removed them from heat, and now I'm gonna remove the thyme. So these branches, I don't really like to have them in there, so I'm gonna remove those first. And then I'm first gonna add in half of my parsley. So about half, and I'm gonna mix that in, and then the rest I'm just gonna add in to garnish. And then your mushrooms are ready for serving. So that was another quick and easy meal. Whenever I want to reduce meat, I tend to cook something with mushrooms because they have a lot of protein, they have a lot of flavor, and well, for me, I don't miss the meat at all when I have the mushrooms. So I really hope you're gonna like this recipe as well and that you're gonna try it out. If you're enjoying this kind of quick and easy meals, you know what to do. Don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also let me know in the comments if you're liking these recipes and what kind of quick and easy meals you want to see in the future. So whether that's breakfast recipes or dinner or lunch recipes. And if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell because then you won't miss any of the new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.